Kambuni ya ndege ya Kenya Airways ikoretwo igumiirwo ni moritu matiganite gwa kahinda undu uria ucungiriirie gucenjia gwa utongoria wayo haria Subastian Mikoz oire giti kia murugamiriri munene kuma kwi Mbuvi Ngunze. Ni mieri itatu kuma riria Mikoz oire utungata wa KQ haria akinyukitie makinya matiganite gutigirira kambuni ino ni yacokereria ta miaka ya hau kabere. Mamwe ma matua maria woete ni gucenjia mitaratara mirihire-ini ya tigiti wa ndege toria aratutariria.
Complexity of turning this around and of continuing improving results is to balance between the revenue, the yield, the load factor, and to make it profitable, because there is not an aircraft that you cannot fulfill if you lower the prices.
Mikoz augite ndukoretwo wi undu muhuthu gukinyukia makinya mamwe haria kwa ihinda riri andikite atongoria atano kuma bururi-ini wa Poland undu uria ucungiriirie mawoni matiganite.
They are not part of the management, they are working with the management, they plugged into Excel and they review. I say, be careful, when we did it was different way of doing this, put a different variation because then it can deviate. And in this industry the problem is that nobody has the ultimate knowledge, and it doesn't mean that we will not make mistakes.
Riboti-ini ya mwisho wa mieri 12 iria yarutirwo mweri-ini wa gatano, KQ ni yanjitie kuona maumithia ma matua mao thutha wa hathara kunyiha na gacunji ka 61 harĩ igana kuma ciringi birioni 20.6 nginyagia birioni 10.2. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV wonjoria njitagwo Jenga wa Waboi.